This is Indonesia Now.
And you are watching Metro TV's weekly wrap-up of news in this dynamic country. Animated and then comic book characters came to life in Jakarta at a gathering of lovers of the costume craze. Indonesia Now's Firmansyah Mara reports from HelloFest.
From Kamen Rider to Power Rangers to flesh-eating zombies, it was fantasy heaven at Jakarta's Balai Kartini on a recent weekend. Fans dressed as characters from comic books and animation series gathered at HelloFest, an annual event for geeks and self-described nerds.
Perkembangan dari tahun ke tahun itu saya cukup surprise karena dari segi jumlah pengunjung itu mungkin bisa 4 kali lipat prediksi saya karena sampai siang ini sudah sejumlah 11.000 orang.
Costume play, or cosplay for short, is a big part of the attraction here. But HelloFest also offered short film screenings and a toy bazaar showing off valuable collectibles. This all began as a platform for animation and design students at the South Jakarta Academy 8 years ago, and has since grown into a nationwide celebration of digital arts and pop culture.
Kalau menurut saya HelloFest ke-8 ini, wah sumpah ini lebih mantep lah istilahnya daripada HelloFest yang tahun lalu, karena dari anime juga banyak pendatang baru kan, banyak film-film anime yang baru dan hampir semua anime baru itu tampil di sini.
Pas udah kesini gila banget, excited banget ngeliat-liat para tokoh-tokoh kartun Jepang. Yang menurut saya itu luar biasa banget ya, orang-orang Indonesia nggak kalah kreatif dengan orang-orang Jepang yang nggak ada di sana.
The short film festival screen at the Balai Kartini's large-scale cinema drew more than 300 entries this year from across the archipelago. It was a graphic display of creativity and talent among the colorful costumes that stole the show. Firmansyah Mara, Metro TV, Jakarta.
Here are some upcoming events on our calendar. More Japanese pop culture will be featured on February 25th at Balai Kartini and 26th at the Atrium Plaza Senayan. Video gamers will gather at the Indonesian Games Festival in the Jakarta Convention Center's Plenary Hall from February 29 to March 4th. And the American band Evanescence will rock Jakarta at G-Expo Hall in Kemayoran on the 25th of February. A surprising destination in East Java is a beautiful combination of blue seas and white sand. Indonesia Now's Tanya Devasiani takes us to Papuma Beach.
Tanjung Papuma is found on the coast of South Beach Ambulu in Jember, 220 kilometers from Surabaya. It's a tropical paradise for visitors from throughout East Java, especially during holidays. Many are drawn to the clear, clean waters here. But because of strong waves and currents, it's a look-only situation with signs reading "No swimming in the sea." So the recreation for children and adults is on the beach. Visitors build sand creations, others simply enjoy being buried in the white grains.
Refreshing ya, sambil merendam di pasir gitu.
Some come here to just sit and relax under coconut trees that grow along the edge of the beach, enjoying the scenery that includes the local fishing fleet. And when the cool sea breeze blows, Papuma Beach is the perfect prescription for stress. Tanya Devasiani, Metro TV.
Feedback time on Twitter. This comment from Lim Yadi. Indonesia Now is so awesomely recharging. The news is so interesting as my tombo ngantuk at night. We're glad we keep you awake, Lim Yadi.
Yeah, that means something to keep you awake, I guess.
Yeah, medicine for not sleeping.
Yeah. Daddy tweeted this question. Dalton, are you Indonesian? Well, I'm not an Indonesian citizen, Daddy, but I do have Indonesia in my heart.
Oh, send all your comments, questions, and story ideas to Indonesia Now at metrotvnews.com.
Our webpage can be found at www.metrotvnews.com/Indonesia Now, where you'll also find video postings of our entire program. Also check us out on Facebook and tweet us, please.
Newlyweds in Riau got special rights to celebrate their marriage.
And you might as well, if you're going to do it, make a big impression on your new bride and the in-laws. So, Fikri Pohan took an elephant to the home of his wife-to-be, Fatma Dewi. Both are familiar with the animals working at the Tesonilo National Park. Now, Pohan works specifically with the Flying Squad, a specially trained group of elephants that herds other animals away from villages and crops and potential injury. Dewi works as one of the handlers. Both mounted their wedding transportation to the ceremony, followed by all the guests on foot.
Big impression and literally big.
Very big,
Yeah.
yeah. They're impressed, I'm sure. That is Indonesia Now for this week. Thank you for watching. I'm Dalton Tanaraka.
Terima kasih, I'm Tasha Lyudmila. Please join us again next week.